Hey there, future techies. Cash. It's really handy, but to be honest, I hardly ever use it. In fact, the only reason I have this is because we sold our old oven on Facebook and they paid cash. %90 of the purchases that I make are paid for with a card, be it in person or online. But how do I transfer money to people that I know? Many restaurants don't like to split bills because it costs them time and money. So what's the best way to transfer money? In Australia, we have a fairly new service called PayID that allows you to transfer money to somebody else's account with just their phone number or their email address. This means no messing around with BSB and account numbers and no long delays. The first payment might take 24 hours to go through, but subsequent payments should be instant. Let me show you how it's done. This is the NAB app from last week's episode, which you can see up here if you missed it. When I choose Transfer and Pay, I select the account that the money's coming from, then add anyone and add a new payee. Here I can choose from the various payment methods. There's the old BSB and account number, phone number, email address, business number, or organisation ID. For this one I chose email address. Put in the email address and click continue. Then I can select the amount and description and it's done. If I want to set my account up to receive money, then I click on the more down the bottom right and then view and create pay IDs. Click continue and then select the account. Next I select the type. I could do email or phone number. In this case I'm going to do email as I've used my phone number on another account. I enter the address and then click create pay ID. Then I had to verify that I owned that email address and then click continue. And then I'm done. Anyone can now send me money using that email address. This isn't anything really revolutionary. It's just something that's easier to give to people than a BSB and account number. It's an evolution of banking. Here it is again in the Bankwest app. I tap the menu and select make a payment. I choose the account that it's coming from and then click select payee. Next I add a payee. Here I'm greeted with the usual BSB and account number screen, but there's more options. I can select mobile or email or click the more button for one of the other options. From what I could tell, you can send to any of the account types from basically any bank, but there's some restrictions as to what you can receive depending on the bank. The NAB allows you to receive via email or mobile number, whereas Bankwest only allows for mobile number, although they did say they were adding the email function in the near future. Like I said, it's not groundbreaking, but if somebody's trying to send me money, it's probably easier for them to use my email address or my mobile number that they probably already know than some 6-digit BSB and 8 to 10-digit account number that I can't even remember. I hope that helps. The Tech Doctor's here to help you negotiate the technology maze. If you want to subscribe to these episodes, you can click the subscription button down here. Or there's some videos that you might not have seen up here or down here. If you come and find us on Facebook, there's also a group that you can add yourself to, where you can ask your questions and we can see what we can do to help you out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.